I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award Winning Speed Screed. I'm here to talk about Pre Mixed Floor Screed. Screed is an essential element of many construction projects, levelling the substrate to make it ready for the final floor coverings. When working with sand and cement, there are usually two methods that you can use. You can either mix it on site or purchase pre-mixed floor screed from a local supplier. So just what is pre-mixed floor screed? Pre-mixed floor screed, as the name suggests, is mixed before it reaches your site. This method of screed production does not require any further mixing on site. It's normally delivered directly to site via tipper trucks. It's very convenient to buy and use. However, whilst it may be convenient, there are various considerations to be made when looking at pre-mixed floor screeds. The advantages of pre-mixed floor screeds are that really it offers you a great solution that helps save you time. Not only is the screed mixed before it gets to site, but it is also transported straight to your project exactly where you want it. No time and effort in mixing on site. Moreover, ready-mix screed is developed and batched to meet various British standards. Those screeds are designed to give you peace of mind that the screed is fit for purpose every time. Guaranteed. So exactly what are the disadvantages of pre-mixed floor screed? Since you'll be paying for the entire process, from the materials to transportation, pre-mixed floor screed is going to cost you more. While the added cost seems appropriate for the convenience that you're going to get, there are other factors that you may need to consider too. First of all, pre-mixed floor screed offers limited to no flexibility. By purchasing it, you forgo all control you have on the consistency or specification of the screed you use, not being able to change that consistency as you work through the screed. Hence, if you want something specific that you feel is applicable for your particular construction site, then pre-mixed floor screed may not be the solution for you. Pre-mixed floor screed may lead to a lot of wastage, seeing as it is actually transported in large volumes. Once on site, any delays with the project, the screed will go off and render it unusable, thus leading to the need to remove the excess screed. Often there is a need to work in bays or particular rooms without a day joint. This again can lead to waste issues. I hope this helps with your pre-mixed floor screed questions.